Hello. I bet you're feeling a bit like me and you just want to cut your hair. Well, that's what I'm going to do today. So welcome to the Snippet Foxies. Now, aside from clippers, you're going to need a hat. I've chosen this lovely Tour de France hat because it has an elasticated rim around the edge, quite tight to the circumference of my head, and so I think I can get a good line with this. Second, you're going to need some clippers. I think these are busted. Let's give it a go anyway. You need a mirror, really. Actually, you don't need a mirror. Let's just go with it and feel it. That's the whole point of the hat, is that you don't need a mirror, you just feel where the hat goes. So I'm going to try this one. No, I don't want to, I'm not putting that near to my face. I'm going to use my beard trimmer instead. Go to 1.5. I reckon a mirror would have been a good idea. Just follow your way around the hat, really. Now, if you're not happy with the position of your hat, you know, if you start low, you can always end on a high. I know you would have wanted to see me with my t-shirt off, but I've already started now. I'm not moving the hat. That's rule number 2. Oh no, I went inside the hat, I think. Just remember, trust the hat. I've got to get a mirror now. Now, my hat's done alright, but it's too short, you know. You need to raise it, but that's the beauty of doing it too short to begin with. If you actually take off the hat, you'll see that really nothing has changed apart from that. Not to worry. How's the back looking though? I feel like the back is better. That's definitely got to be higher. Okay. I'm going on a 0. Oh, that felt like a label. Make sure you get all of it. Ah! Very thorough work. My mum always used to say that I was so thorough when I hoovered at home. Same thing, boys and girls. Not much has changed, has it? See if my actual clippers worked. I could probably do a little... Not the worst result. I haven't seen the back. It feels good. Okay, so the next thing you're going to need is scissors and a comb. Don't even need to pin it, look. You can just hold it. Yeah, the classic lick. That'll hold it in place. Snip from low to high. You're just going to want to go around in a nice vertical line off your head. I'm just going to wet it. There we go. Nice. The drowned rat look. Now I've got more control over what's going on here. I can just bob that to the side. That's better. That's more like it. That's better, boy. Get some real snipping in there. You can really see how the lines are really starting to take shape now. Now this is the blending stage. You don't need to do anything to the top. You can if you want. This is like, you know when you do one of those trick shots and pull around your back. Same thing. Why not just do it from the inside? That seems to be a bit easier actually. See what you can grab for the last bit. There we are, that's what I've been looking for. There we go. Give you all one final little do. You can see that technique of going underneath the hand has really paid off. And the hat. Probably be nothing without the hat. Could do it. You're gonna be able to get a straight line. Anyway, thanks. Why don't you try it at home and send me on your video. Good night.